morning, everybody.
Good morning.
What's that?
Good morning.
Okay. We are in Dodge City, Alabama.
I just splashed tea up my nose.
The 75th time we have tried to record this. We're sitting out in front of the tire shop, waiting to get a couple of tires repaired. They're waiting on the approval from the company before they start work. We delivered yesterday in Mississippi and picked up a load in the same place going back to North Carolina where we started from. When we picked up the trailer yesterday, we gave it the once over. Didn't see anything wrong with it or anything. We got stopped at the Mississippi state line, had a inspection, and the officer doing the inspection didn't find anything wrong. And this morning when we would you say hey this morning when we did our pre-trip, we found some flat spots on the tire, and
You didn't see my face? What in the heck is that?
did you toot? Oh
No.
my goodness.
I don't think it was him. Quit blaming stuff like that on my dog.
That's your dog. That's your nasty dog. Anyway, so we had a DOT inspection and they didn't see anything wrong, but this morning we found some flat spots on the tire. So we're getting the tires fixed before we take off and go back. And
I guess we ought to explain why we haven't posted any videos in a while.
That might be good. They might want to know. So we haven't had any videos in quite a while, and that is because Daddy's already got a job, and I don't record videos and drive at the same time by myself.
I was off of the truck for about a month, taking care of some family business.
She got a timeout.
A well-deserved timeout.
Time off.
Anyway, I was off for about a month, and I've been back a couple of weeks, but we've been driving a lot at night, and
Just quit.
sleeping during the day, so we haven't been able to record any. I mean, I guess we could have, but it just would have been nothing.
Yeah, so we're getting back into the swing of it.
And when we were driving during the day, we were going to the same places over and over and over, because we've gone from when he picked me up at home, we went from there to Georgia. So we've done Louisiana, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Mississippi,
Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia,
yeah,
Georgia,
just
South
about.
Carolina, Mississippi, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida,
and Alabama in there now and then.
And now we're in Babalamba.
So anyway, we just haven't had opportunity to record much, but we're trying to get back into the swing of things. Thank you to the ones that have stuck around waiting on us, being so patient and waiting on us.
We're so back. It's on.
So anyway, I gotta get JJ up and going again. He's been pretty dormant here lately, so if y'all want to see some more JJ updates, let us know.
JJ might be in retirement. I don't know.
No, we got to bring JJ back.
I don't know. Maybe I'll start mixing up JJ and Divine.
Not many of y'all know about that one.
Ooh, girl.
He found the new Snapchat filters.
No, I think I'll just stick with JJ.
So anyway, we're gonna go for now, and we will catch back up with y'all at our next stop. Talk to y'all later.
Bye.
want? What do you want? It's time to go night-night. It's time to go night-night. No. You can't have your toys. No toys. No toys. Night-night time. You need to lay down. Hey, night-night time.